Assalamualaikum guys. Now we talk about desktop computer history origins. Prior to the widespread use of microprocessor, a computer that could fit on a desk was considered remarkably small. The type of computers most commonly used were mini computers, which despite the name were rather large and were mini only compared to the so-called big iron early computers and later the general-purpose high-throughput mainframes took up the space of a whole room. Mini computers, on the contrary, generally fit into one or a few refrigerator-sized racks, or for the few smaller ones, built into a fairly large desk not put on top of it. It was not until the 197 when fully programmable computers appeared that could fit entirely on top of a disk. 1970 saw the introduction of a data point to 2200, a smart computer terminal, complete with keyboard and monitor, was designed to connect with a mainframe computer, but that did not stop owners from using its built-in computational abilities as a stand-alone desktop computer. The HP 9800 series, which started out as programmable calculators in 1971, but was programmable in BASIC by 1972, used a smaller version of a mini computer designed based on ROM memory and had small one-line LED alphanumeric displays and displayed graphics with a plotter. The WAN 2200 of 1973 had a full-size cathode ray tube and a cassette tape storage. The IBM 5100 in 1975 had a small CRT cathode ray tube display and could be programmed in BASIC and APL. These were generally expensive specialized computers sold for business or scientific uses. Growth and development. Apple II TRS-80 and Commodore PET were first-generation personal home computers launched in 1977, which were aimed at the consumer market rather than businessmen or computer hobbyists. Byte magazines refer to these three as the 1977 trinity of personal computing. Throughout the 1980 and 1990, desktop computers became the predominant type, the most popular being the IBM PC and its clones, followed by the Apple Macintosh with the third placed Commodore Amiga having some success in the mid 1980 but declined by the early 1990. Early personal computers like the original IBM personal computer were enclosed in a desktop case horizontally oriented to have the display screen placed on top, thus saving space on the user actual disk. Although these cases had to be sturdy enough to support the weight of CRT displays that were widespread at the time. Over the course of the 1990, desktop cases gradually become less desktop cases gradually became less common than the more accessible time. Over the course of 90, desktop gradually became less common than the more accessible tower cases. that may be located on the floor, under air, beside a desk, rather than on a desk. Not only to these becoming larger every-year desktop cases, particularly the compact form factors remain popular for corporate computing environments and kiosks. Some computer cases can be interchangeably positioned either horizontally, desktop or upright, mini